Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Tinder application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming upload from us. In order to download Tinder application on your iPhone, first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data network. Once you are connected, tap Open App Store. In the search bar, type in Tinder and perform your search. You'll be able to see the application displayed at the very top on the next page. Simply tap the download button right next to the app to begin the downloading process on your iPhone. Tinder is an online dating application famous for its swipe and match feature that offers paid subscription. With your Tinder application downloaded on your mobile devices, you can make new friends, matches, get in a relationship, even marriage, and you can do it simply by swiping right or left. Once the application is downloaded on your iPhone, tap the open button to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Tinder application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.